I'm going to show you how you can use n8n to generate infinite Amazon FBA keywords for your business, whether you're using it for ads, you want to discover new products. I'm going to show you how you can do that for free using n8n. Now, to understand that, you have to understand how Amazon works. Now, let's say you go to Amazon.com and you're selling computer accessories or anything computer related. Let's type in computer, and it's automatically going to autocomplete and give you monitors, computer speakers, computer chairs. And how does it do that? Well, basically, it takes your first word and finds the highest volume of searches that are associated with that word. So obviously, people are searching for computer monitors way more than computer paper. How do we do this? Well, in order to generate the keywords, we use that system. We use Airtable. You type in computer. So you press a button. It sends your keyword computer to your workflow, and it'll come back to exactly what we saw earlier, which is computer desk, computer monitor, computer chair. It's all there. And how do you generate infinite keywords? Well, maybe you can type in computer monitor, press the button again, and then it'll generate even more keywords based on computer monitor. Now you have computer monitor stand, computer monitor 27-inch, and you can repeat this infinitely. So now I can take computer monitor 27-inch and then see what other keywords it gives me. So you can do this forever. Now, how does the workflow work? All you need to do is download my workflow so you don't have to set this up yourself. And I'll explain how it works. Basically, it's waiting for a webhook. And what that webhook means that it's just waiting for you to click that button in Airtable. Once that starts, it'll get the keyword that you inputted from Airtable, send it to Amazon. Amazon will give you the nearest keywords. It'll do some computer stuff, clean up all the keywords, and then save it back into the Airtable. Now, to make this work, you need to set up all the credentials. Right? So you need to come here, click on Docs, and it'll teach you how to connect to Airtable using API. Once you've plugged it in, then you're able to use the n8n workflow. You don't need to change anything, you just need to connect your credentials. And that's all the credentials you need. So just set up your Airtable credentials, which should be very straightforward. The next thing is you need to set up your Airtable. So this is available for download as well. Check the description. I've already inputted a formula. If you click here, when you click the button, it sends your data to a specific URL, which is the n8n, which is listening to this. And then it'll take the keyword and input it there. So that's how you set up your n8n FBA keyword generator. I hope you enjoyed this. Check the description to download my workflow and the Airtable, and also join my community. So if you have any questions, me or the community members will happily answer you. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe.